Good morning. Gonna make some coconut pancakes out of the Primal Blueprint cookbook. Check this book out. You think I've used it, man? It's totally falling apart. Pumpkin nut muffin's one of my favorites, but today we're gonna do the coconut pancakes right here. Got all my ingredients out, ready to go. Pretty simple here. Get the honey, the coconut flour, salt, baking powder, some vanilla extract, 3 eggs, and the butter. What we want to do first is melt this butter down. I'm going to fire it up here in my small little saucepan. Very gentle heat on this. Don't want to burn the butter. Go gentle. Unwrap this baby here. Let that butter melt. Want to get our coconut milk. Happen to have some coconut milk saved here in my old blender bottle. We're going to put about a quarter cup plus a couple of tablespoons. Had a fight with the burner on this one. Throw that in there like that. Looks nice. Do a couple more tablespoons according to the recipe. Put that in there. Really nice. Dump our eggs in. One. We do 3 eggs. 2. There you go. 3. Got those going. It says about a half a teaspoon, just a little bit of honey in it. Drizzle a little honey in. We want to do about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This thing gets stuck on here sometimes. That cap in there. Dump a teaspoon of vanilla extract in here. White butter's starting to melt down. That's nice. Wait for the butter to melt down. Stir that up like that. Whoops, went over a little bit. Gotta be careful. Don't want to make too much of a mess. Gonna beat that up with a little fork. We're going to add a half a cup of coconut flour into this mix right here. Got to open up my package. It's brand new. It's about $4.50 or so at the store. Sprouts, Smiths, wherever you want to go. Whoopsie. So we put about a half a cup of this. Just like that. Measure that dog in there. There you go. Put it in. Gotta add a little baking powder in there. Forgot how much though. I think it's around a teaspoon. Teaspoon of that. And a quarter teaspoon of salt. Dry it up a little bit, get that thing in there. Let's see, we got that. Just a little bit of salt, right? Quarter teaspoon. Use a little bit of this, it's a little bit coarse. Throw it in there. Just mix it all together like this. What you want to do is this gets pretty thick, so you want to get a little bit of water in there. So we'll do about a half a cup of water. Our butter's looking good. I'm going to turn the heat off because that looks like it's melting pretty decently. I'm going to dump it right in here. Whoa! That hot butter going around. Get these clumps out like that. That's why we're going to add a little bit of water. Gonna get my skillet fired up. Okay. We want to get that warm. Add a little butter to it. Take a little butter to my skillet. Get it going. It's gonna melt. At the same time, we're gonna add a little bacon to this other skillet, because I'm gonna have some bacon, pancakes, and eggs. We're really going for it today. Put about a half a cup of water in here. Thin that out a little bit. Get these clumps out, make it nice and smooth in here. Yeah. So you get these little clumps in there. We want a nice smooth pancake. You can add more water in too. Just check out the consistency and texture of it. I'm gonna get my other skillet fired up here to get this bacon going. Might add a little bit more water to thin that out. Get my butter. My allergies are really bugging me today, but we're just gonna sit here and make some food. Probably do some muffins later. Pumpkin nut muffins. Get ready for the fall. Halloween. Oh yeah. See, this is getting to be. This consistency's a little bit better. That's looking good there. Got some of this Oscar Mayer. It was a store natural, no nitrates. Pretty good. The only thing is I gotta peel this thing. My hands are kind of slippery from the. I don't cut it. This is always a good way to do it. If it works. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. That going. Couple strips of bacon going here. Sometimes when they're stuck together, if you just put it in the pan, they'll separate once they get a little warm. Get up. I go with 5 pieces there. Oh yeah. Okay. That's got a nice consistency right there. Perfect. Save this for tomorrow. Got some bacon going here. Bacon frying right there. That's good. About ready to put those pancakes on right now. You gotta make these pancakes kind of small. Really they're hard to flip. There we go. Let's see how that goes for now. Check out my bacon here. Gotta get some grease going in this pan.